Superman, 1 to 11. They're on the wall over there. Number 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be top on the bottom on that side. 8 and 9, bottom 2. Right here. I'm gonna try 2 of these 2011 Elites. Here we go. Box number 47. You did get 11 Elite, right? I forgot to check it. I think that's what you got. I'd hate to open the wrong thing. Haven't done it in a while, so I'm due. 2011, yeah. There you go. There we go. And box number, lucky number 7, 07. Pack sideways. There's a few of them in there sideways. There we go. Alright, here we go. Still looking for Taj Boyd. Let's see, John Baldwin, jersey. Hit number 1. Are those numbered? Yes, $2.99. Craftsman, Jamal Charles. Power Formula, Chris Cooley. No hockey, Sushi. No hockey today. Kyle Rudolph. Alex Green. Ryan Whalen, numbered to $9.99. Patch card, Dallas Clark, down and distance. Who's he pointing at? I think he's pointing at Bill Lambier in the stands. That one's numbered to 50. Dwayne Harris, $9.99. Oh yeah, there's been Raptor no hockey today. Cameron Newton just made a couple dollars this year. I think he makes $31 million this year. Not a horrible day. I think he got a $26 million signing bonus. What would you do if you made $2 to $3 million a month and you only worked half a year? That would be nice. Just base. Vernon Davis. Gerard Mayo. MJD, that one's 6 of only 24. Leonard Hankerson, $9.99. Valued collector. It's got yellow on it. Throwback Threads Prime autograph, number 10. Throwback Threads Prime. So that'll be a patch autograph. Card number 10. Let's see who you got. Throwback Thread number 10 is dual autograph. Yeah, autographs. Bob Greasy and Paul Warfield. 10 and 10. So that'll be a dual autograph. Patch autograph. Dual patch autograph. Okay, pretty cool. That's expired, of course, Jeremy, but you can still enter it under their database, and you'll be good to go. LaRon Landry. That one's numbered to 99. And another autograph. How many hits do you get in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is hit number 5. Greg Jones, numbered to 499. I think it's only 4 hits. There's a bonus. Von Miller. Ryan Williams, $9.99. Box number 2, Antonio Gates. Can't get that one to grip, but that's a jersey. Mark Ingram. Just base. Braylon Edwards. Craftsman. Just base. Chris Johnson, Legends of the Fall. I wonder if somebody's going to pick him up. I think he's unsigned still. John Baldwin, after he got shot. Number to 42, Justin Houston. $9.99, Tyron Smith. Number to 499, Cameron Jordan. There we go. Autograph. Zags fan on the Immaculate. I had to open the case on the live feed. Ship one. We broke one yesterday, and nothing major yet. Christian Ponder, $1.99, rookie of the autograph. There you go. Ryan Williams, that one's $9.99. Visante Shenko, jersey. Just base. Tamba Ali. DeLon Carter, $9.99. Adrian Claiborne, $9.99. Josh Freeman. 2 packs left here. Superman. Just base. And the last one. Just base. Let's recap it. We have Visante Shenko, jersey. There you go. Christian Ponder, $1.99. Cameron Jordan, $4.99. Antonio Gates, jersey. Greg Jones, $4.99. Dual autograph, throwback patch autographs. Paul Warfield and Bob Greasy, I think. Dual patch autograph. Cam Newton, rookie jersey. Patch card, Dallas Clark. And jersey card, John Baldwin. That What a grip on that one. But that's it. Thanks, Jeremy. See you, man.